Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how we can say few words in 5 different ways. So let's start. How we can say yes in 5 different ways? Definitely, of course, I would love to, for sure. My thoughts exactly. So rather saying yes, we can say in these manner also. We can say excellent in these ways. Amazing, wonderful, fantastic, tremendous, splendid. We can say rather saying excellent, we can say these ways. How we can say I understand in different manner? Like got it. Okay, I get it now. That's clear. I take your point. That makes sense. How we can say thanks or thank you in 5 different ways? I appreciate it. That's very kind of you. I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. Thanks a lot. Now let's see how we can say take care in different ways. Take it easy. Be careful. Go steady. Be cautious. Stay out of trouble. Go easy on yourself. Take care of yourself. How we can say hello in different manner. Hi there. Howdy. Greetings. Hey, what's up? Morning, afternoon, evening. What's going on? How are things? We can say hello in these ways also. How we can say how are you in different manner? Hey, what's up? What's new? How is it going? How are things? What is going on? How are you doing? How have things been? How we can say I'm busy in different ways. Like I have got lots to do. I'm swamped. I'm tied up. My agenda is full. I'm buried with work. I'm up to my ears in work. I'm up to my neck in work. Friends, here are some common mistakes we make commonly. Few sentences I will bring to your notice, which we can rectify. So let's take a glance on these sentences. Your hairs are really beautiful. No, that's a wrong sentence. We should say, your hair is really beautiful. This is the correct way of telling this sentence. The next sentence is, I'm looking forward to see you. No, it's a wrong sentence. We need to say like this. I'm looking forward to seeing you. This is the correct statement. This is the correct sentence. How to say, she is good in English. No, this is a wrong statement or wrong sentence. We need to say, she is good at English. We are not supposed to say like this. You should practice to speak English. No, we need to say, you should practice speaking English. This is the correct way of telling the sentence. How are we supposed to say, I work in a bank? No, this is a wrong sentence. We're supposed to say, I work for a bank. This is the correct sentence. This much for today. Bye friends.